All right, I got a very helpful video for you guys today. I've had a lot of customers ask me how to get this pull handle off their door panel. You can save a lot of money instead of buying and replacing the whole door panel. Typically, that's what breaks, is the handle. And a lot of times, this bezel right here breaks when you're taking this off, because you tend to pry up on this and there's a screw under that holds that. So what I'm going to do is show you today how to get this off without breaking it, without breaking this, because this is probably already broken. All right, so all you need is a flathead screwdriver and a 7mm socket. You're going to want to pry this off right here with just screwdriver. It's just pushed in there. This little cover around the handle, you're going to want to pry that off with a screwdriver. And the mirror cover just pulls right off. Okay, so I'm going to take them off. Hang on. Okay, as you can see, that just pops out. That just pops off. Now what you have is a 7mm screw right there. 7mm screw on the back side of this right there. So you got to take that out and that out. Don't pry up on this because it'll break. You have to do that after you pop this door panel off. So I'm going to take them out. Actually, I might be able to do it while I'm filming. All right. So now that you have that screw out, this screw out, and the mirror cover off, you can just pull up on the whole entire door panel and it will separate. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Just like that. Okay. So now you just got to take your wiring, reach in there, disconnect your wiring for your window switch, which is going to be hard for me to do one-handed, so hang on a second. Okay, I cheated. I cut the wires because I don't care. I don't have to, I don't need to save the wires. All right. This screw right there on the front of that window switch, this is the one you want to take out, because this is the one that always breaks when you pry up without taking the door panel off. You have another one here, another one, where is it, right there. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then you have 2 more down here, 1, 2, all 7mm. Once you take them screws out, it'll loosen up this whole door panel. So I'm going to do that. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this screw out, and then I'm going to pop that bezel off, that window switch bezel, with this handle still secured, just so it will be able to, get it off without breaking it. So hold on one second. Okay, so this is after you pull that switch bezel off, without, that the way we did it so it doesn't break. So you got the switch bezel off. This is the part that usually breaks on the one you're trying to replace. That's why your switch is all afloat. Turn the door panel upside down. And I already took one out. There's the 2 other ones. I can take them out while filming. Alright. Alright, so I got that one out. And I got that one out. So, now, it's actually not that bad. Like, if I wasn't filming, I could have this done in, like, 4 minutes. Alright, so now that all your screws on the back side out, you just wiggle. Boom. Right there. Those right there break on these handles. Of course, that little tab always is broken. You don't have to worry about that tab. I sold probably 100 of these, and every one of them has a broken tab. You just got to make sure that's good. And right there. So, hopefully that helps. Had a lot of customers ask me, this is a good way to buy just this handle. They usually sell for around $70. And so you don't have to replace your whole door panel, which is, hundreds of dollars. So Perfect. There you go. Thank you very much. If you need to contact me, you can leave a comment below, subscribe, share if you feel this video helps. You can also reach me at Bentley'sAutoParts.com. We specialize in interior parts, cold climate interior parts. Thank you very much.